we're going to go with the Weld Racing S77 15x10 drag pack for the GT500. Unfortunately on this one you have to go with a BMR Swaybar relocation kit, and that's what we're going to be installing today. So what we're going to be doing next, removing this lower shock bolt, removing the two Swaybar brackets, and dropping the Swaybar on both sides. Okay, next we're going to be removing the lower shock bolt. Slide shock out of the way. Next, you can remove the two factory bolts. Okay, with the BMR Swaybar relocation kit loosely installed, you can now mark the metal that needs to be cut. Okay guys, now that we got the factory mount all marked up, we're ready to cut. I'm going to be using a cutoff wheel, but you're free to use whatever you want to get the job done. Oh, and yes, that is my drift buggy slash whatever you want to call it in the background. Yes, it is PVC pipe on the back tires. Please look forward to my next video coming up so you can see the build from start to finish on that thing. Plenty of good times to be had. On to the cutting. Okay, grind off any sharp edges with a sander. Hit it with a coat of paint, prevent rust. Okay, with the relocation bracket loosely installed, you can now install the lower shock bolt. Last but not least, reinstall the Swaybar. And we're done with the driver's side. Okay, got the wheel all mounted up, and you can clearly see how much clearance we have now between the tire and the actual relocation bracket. As far as the sway bar coming in contact with the lower control arm, there's a smooth 1/8 of an inch there, so I think we're good. Anyhow, on to the next side.